We are live streaming this activity on the official Facebook page of BILG Aklan. Tagyaw!
Sige partner, practice muna. Pag sinabing tagyaw, ano kayong reply? Wow na wow! Pag wow na wow naman, ano yung reply? Tagyaw! Alright, up together! This year's Provincial Tagyaw Open Governmental Hall Meeting in the province of Aklan is focused on the use of social media. We aim that through this activity, the participants will be made aware of the importance of proper use and
Some people do not actively participate and get told all the reasons why we are holding Tagyaw. The power of the media is so indispensable that this is considered as the fourth pillar of democracy.
Or reducing the social media addiction.
Negative feedback or controversial comments on social media. Si nanay, o tatay, o pamilya, unang-una, ito dapat magtao.
And if it does fail, no, if you cannot handle it by yourself, it is a good idea then.
Good morning po.
Hello,
good morning.
Can you introduce yourself for the camera?
Yes, I am Irish May Halokot from Aklan Polytechnic College. And yeah.
Sige. First question, what are your expectations for this event?
Of course, madami tayo expectations ngayon kasi ngayon first time ko kasi mag-attend ng Tagyaw and yes, madami tayong expectation kasi yung topic is all about social media. And of course, parang magkakaroon tayo ng mas bukas yung pag-isip natin about social media and about netiquette, of course, yun lang.
Sige. Is there anything specific, any topics that you are looking forward to?
Kasi yung topic kaina about sa social media, about government. So, I think like mas mabukas ako pag-iisip about ito. And of course, para makipag-socialize man with other students from other schools.
Thank you so much. Good morning po.
Good morning.
Can you introduce yourself to the camera?
Okay, my name po is Renz Charles C. Malapaw, the SSG President of Aklan Catholic College, College Department.
Ayan. Sige, for our first question, what are your expectations for this Tagyaw?
My expectations for this year's Tagyaw 2024 is for students to open up their minds and to discuss the pressing issues that society is experiencing today, especially with the rampant cost of social media and how it can affect us in our daily lives.
For our second question, is there any topic in particular, anything to look forward to for this Tagyaw?
The topic that I'm looking forward to is how could social media make a student or a youngster's life or break them in a way that it may affect them throughout their growing years. And with this medium, we can now discuss openly what are the steps or what are the other causes or other options that a student could do that will use social media as a jump start to promote and explore life to the fullest.
Sige. Thank you so much po.
Yes po.
Darana at kumilos na kabataan. ay magkaisa sa pagsulong ng bagong